Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning and I have a project share for you today. We are going to make a little journal spot in your junk journal, and all you need is a banner with a hole in the top, a smaller banner with another little hole, a little piece of fabric, a tab, and a journal card. Now I printed this journal card myself. I sized it to about 3.5 by 5.5 because I wanted a larger journal card. And all I'm going to do is take these little tags. Let me go ahead and do the stamping on there. And I am just going to stamp the number 12 because next month is the 12th month. There. I'm going to take this one, put it with this one, slide this little piece of fabric in there, pull it up some, try to even my fabric up in the back. I'm going to stitch across the top right there. Now that I have that stitched across, cut off these little threads that I have here, and I want to cut that flush with the top. Going to take and glue my little tab on. And that's all there is to it. And you have a cute little hang tab where you can flip it up and do your journaling. I've made another one with a different kind of tag. And you can still decorate. There we are. Put a little heart sticker on the bottom. Now, you just take your journal, I'm just going to go ahead and glue this in my journal. And now you have a little journal spot that's really cute. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.